Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 1B question number 12, which is of advanced level. And this is the last question for exercise 1B of book 2. So it is question number 12, and the rest of the videos from question 1 to 11 are uploaded on my channel. So question number 12 says the braking distance of a vehicle is directly proportional to the square of its speed. When the speed of the vehicle is b meter per second, its braking distance is b meter. If the speed of the vehicle is increased by 200%, find the percentage increase in its braking distance. So they are asking 2 to 3 things. First of all, as you all know, we need to create an equation. Then as they have not given us the values, so we need to find some of the values also to get our final answer. So let's solve question number 12 without wasting any time. So now I have written, I'm going to solve question number 12. So first of all, we need to have some of the values. So I'm going to write that braking distance So for distance, I'm going to take an alphabet which is d meter. Okay. In the question they have given as a small d. Now I have taken a big capital D. Okay. Then the speed. For speed of the vehicle, I'm going to take BMS, means capital B meter per second, and in the question they have given as a small b. So as you all know, the question says that D is directly proportional to B square because it is ms meter per second. So B square, and if we just finish the sign of proportionality, so it would be like this: D equals to K B square, and as you all know that K over here is a constant. So so first of all, we need to complete this equation by finding out the value of K. So I have made two values, that when capital B, this is the speed, the capital B they have given as small b in the question, equals to small b, and capital D equals to small d. These are the two values which we are going to write in the question. So if we write it like this, like D equals to K, the value for D is when B equals to, okay, so the value for B is small b and D is small d. So it would be something like this. Okay, now first of all it is square, and now I'm going to make K the subject like this and write the values like this if they are dividing. Okay, so after writing this value, we have found out the value of K because we don't have any values or numbers given to divide, so this would be the final value. So means the value of K would be D divided by B squared, like this. See, K equals to D, capital D equals to the value of K, small d divided by B square, and then capital B square. Okay, so this would be our formula. So by using this formula, we are going to find the values in the questions. Okay, now if they have asked, if we write when the speed of a vehicle is increased by 200%, okay, speed increased by 200%. So we are going to let it be 100% also. So if first of all we need to find the value of b, capital B, because b is have been given as the speed. Okay, so b equals to 100%, or 100 plus 200, and if I write percent as a common and then multiply it by b. So first of all over here we are having 1%, and 1% is equal to 1 divided by 100. So if we plus 100 plus 200 is 300, and divided by 100 multiplied by b, if these two zeros are cutted down, so we are left with 3, and 3 multiplied by b is 3b. So this would be the value when the speed of the vehicle is increased by 200%. Now we need to find the percentage of the braking distance which is increased. Okay. So over here I have written like in the previous clip we have found out the value of capital B, which is 3b. So I'm going to put this value when capital B equals to 3b. So if we put the values like this, c d small b square multiplied by bracket 3b square. Okay, so if we put it like this and then we take out the square, so 3 square equals to 9, and then if we write it like this, 9b square, and if we just cut these down, so and then d multiplied by 9 would be 9d. Okay, so this is how first of all we have find out the value of d also. So now we can find out the distance of the braking distance which is increased, means we need to find the percentage. So now the final thing that we need to do, we need to find the increase in the braking distance. Okay, now in the previous clip we have found out the value which was 9d. First of all, let me tell you the formula to find the distance. First of all, we just subtract the new minus old distance. Okay, so new distance and the old distance, and divided by the old distance. So this is the new distance. First let me write the new distance over here. The new distance was 90 subtracted by the old distance. So it was small d, which I just predicted in the first clip of the video, when capital D equals to small d. So that was the old distance. Okay, and it is 1d because we need to subtract also. Okay, and if I write 1d over here also, and as you all know we are finding percentage, so we are going to multiply by 100%. So 100%. So now if we just cut the d's like this, d and d. Okay, so this d is cut. Now we are left with 1, so this one does not we don't need to consider it. If we minus with 9 minus 1, so it is 8, and then 8 multiplied by the leftover thing is 100%. So if we multiply 8 with 100%, it would be 800. percent. So it was pretty simple. As the question tried to confuse us, but we have find the increase in the braking distance, and they have given the increase in the speed of the vehicle, which was 200%. By using those values, we first came up with the new and old distance, and then we just find out the percentage increase. So I hope you like today's video. In this video, we have solved exercise 1b, question number 12, and exercise 1b have been completed. So if you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can get my upcoming videos. Okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.